Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. I am building the Lego Duplo modular playhouse today. I have walked past this in the shop, like back and forth, and I was going, oh, should I get it? Because I just love the colors. And I just love the fact that it is a completely buildable doll's house. And then it went on special, so I had to get it. So I'm going to build it today. I'm very excited. It's so cute. It's modular, so there are different ways that you can build it. There are 3 different ways shown in the instructions. We'll have a look at all of them today, but let's get it open and see what it looks like. And wow, look at those pieces, and they're so big because they're Duplo, but this is such a modern design and the colors are gorgeous. Let's check out the family. Here's Dad. I'm dubbing him Duplo Dad, and he's got the best swooshy hair and beard. He's got an ice cream brooch and braces, and he's just totally adorable. Hi, Duplo Dad. He sits down, which is good because, you know, when you get tired, you want to sit down a bit. Here is Duplo Mum. Her hair is not quite as good as Duplo Dad's, but her hair's pretty good. I like her buttons on her high-waisted yellow pants. And there's a toddler in here. She or he. This could be either a boy or a girl. This little person in here. I'm going to call this kid, I'm going to call him or her Ashley, because that could be a name that works with either a boy or a girl. Ashley's got a teddy bear. The teddy bear is almost as big as Ashley. Look at that. I love the Duplo teddy bear. So here's our family, but they're not complete yet because there's also a puppy. And when I say puppy, this puppy's enormous. Look how big this dog is. It looks kind of like the pug dog in the Lego form. Oh, I have to go and get the little pug dog and see what the difference in size is. Look at this, look. That's a Lego pug next to the Duplo pug. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, this is so cute. This is the most adorable little Duplo family. But little Ashley has got a rocking horse. How cool is that? Let's see if Ashley can ride the rocking horse. She or he? I'm going to call her a she because it just, for the purposes of my play at the moment, she's going to be a she. Let's see if Daddy goes on here. Yeah, look, he's having a great time on the rocking. Oh, hold on. I don't think the rocking horse is rated for Daddy Duplo. It's dangerous. This is dangerous for Daddy Duplo. Okay, little kids only on the rocking horse, it seems. And we've also got a lovely thick round mat, which we can put the rocking horse on, nice and thick, so that it rocks oh so beautifully, and it's not going to make a clickety clack as it rocks. Okay, this is exciting. Let's build our Duplo townhouse, well, our doll's house, and see how it looks. I think it's going to look spectacular. All right, so we've got a tan-colored base plate. We are building 5 blocks up here, and then we need this big piece here. And when we put the window frame, click the window frame in here, opens all the way up. Oh my goodness, I love Duplo. It's so tactile, feels so great in your hand, and everything fits together so easily and comes apart really easily as well, but not so easily that it falls apart when you don't want it to. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so we've got 3 big window pieces here. They are so big, you can open them up, use them as doors if you want, and you can even put people in the little spaces of the windows. And we're going to be using these pieces here, 5 of these blocks, to build them up to the same height as the other windows. And now we get a bit of variation. So we need 2 of these blocks, and then we get a window piece on the top, a crisscrossed window piece. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's put that over there. And we can put the teddy bear up in here in the window box. And another one here. Oh, this is really going together so beautifully. Maybe we could put Ashley in here. Oh, maybe not from that angle. Maybe from this side. Oh, and the rocking horse can go in here so beautifully, and Daddy can hang out in here. And you know what? I need to concentrate on actually doing it as per the instructions at the moment, but this is so cute. 5 of those blocks up there, 2 here, and another window, and that's going to make this side here complete. So our framework, the walls are up, the windows are up. Let's see what sort of furniture we have down here in the bottom level. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these blue drawer sections, and we get to put the mint colored drawers in them, and they get lined up here all in a row in the corner. 1, 2, 3, and number 4, all with drawers. And they're lined up beautifully under the window. Look at that. And on top of our drawers, we have got a cool sink piece and a lovely wood bench top. Oh my goodness, this is such a modern color and design choice. I love it. And in this drawer, we get to put a tea towel, which we're going to fold all up over, and that is supposed to kind of hang down. The picture says it should hang down. I can poke it in between the Duplo dots and it will fit quite nicely there. Hop out of the sink, Ashley. You can sit there and, well, actually you can't reach up there to wash any dishes. And we don't have any dishes yet. Let's actually line along the top now with these white pieces, and that's going to keep all of this bottom level so securely and safe in together. And now we get maybe some cupboard space for our Duplo doll's house. We could store the teddy in there, but I think not. I think that it's actually a fridge, because on top of it, we've got this wonderful printed oven piece with cupcakes and oven mitts in it, and there's a cake! A whole cake! So let's put that in the oven. That does not fit in the oven. All right, so we're not cooking that cake in that oven. Not today anyway. Let's put it over on the bench top. We have got a pot, and we might put the pot over... Actually, we could just pop it up here in the window. That's a nice place to store it. And here we have some milk, which we should probably put away in the fridge to keep it cold. That looks so cool. Okay, now we get another wood piece here for, maybe is it a seat? Like a bench seat? Let's move these people out of the way. No, it's not a bench seat, it's the table. It's the dining table. We've got some cute little blue, light and dark blue seats for the family to sit here around the dinner table. That is so cool. Let's put the plate on and the big cake on, and the puppy would love some cake, but the puppy can't have any cake because it's chocolate. Chocolate's bad for puppies. There's a teapot. We put the teapot over here in the kitchen, and I think the bottom level is complete. So let's start building the next level of our Duplo doll's house. We've got the floor on. Now we need these skinny pieces here, and then we put that angled one on the end, and then we need another one in the mirror image of this for the other side, and they're going to make a cute little little frame for up here. I love the big lavender window, and a yellow one too. All the pastels in this. These colors are just so pretty. We need 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got a printed piece which shows that this side is going to be the living room, because we've got what could be, it's got a plant and a picture and a little pottery bunny, and on this side we've got some bathroom things, and we need a cupboard or a bookcasey kind of thing to separate the 2 rooms. We could even store the teddy in there. So over here, this was going to be the living room. So we've got these vibrant coral pieces with some cushioned tops. This is so modern. Oh my goodness, I love this. And we get a throw rug as well. So we've got a U-shaped lounge suite and a throw rug that's not as floppy as it looks in the pictures. Might get floppy as we play with it a bit more. And a guitar! Oh, look at this! Look, that's like a Lego guitar size, and this is the Duplo one, is so big. This is fun. Okay, how are we going to hold that? That's not how you hold it. That's also probably not quite how you hold it, but it'll do for now. Let's start putting some furniture in the bathroom. So we have got a little drawer which we're popping in the windowsill, and a lovely yellow and white striped towel is going to be stored neatly away in the drawer. I love the, oh look, the bathroom is all yellow and white. That makes me so happy. We've got a sink here, which the puppy has just decided to pop in, and a bathtub piece, a yellow bathtub piece. Let's put Ashley in the bathtub. Oh, and with the puppy. All right, maybe not both of you in there at the same time. The puppy can go out and hang out in the living room with Dad. We've got a light yellow toilet with a dark yellow toilet seat, which you can actually flip up and down. Oh, I love it. It goes over here in the corner. Ashley's going to try the toilet out. She's obviously potty trained, so that's so cute. And we put the 4th chair in here so that Ashley can climb up here and she can brush her teeth and wash her hands with lots of ease. And Mum can come and sit here and supervise Ashley while she's in the bath. So we'll just have a bit of a play while they're in the bath. That's so cute. Let's go up to the next level. All right, so we've got, I think we might need a bedroom up here on this level. So let's see how this is going to go together. We've got some slanted pieces on the side, and we need one of these nice skinny pieces, and there are glass windowy brick things. just to let some light up here in the top level. Oh, and some nursery prints up here on the wall with the ABC, and there's a unicorn toy. Here's Ashley's bed. Such a colourful green, and got a cloud blanket. That's just so cute. Let's fold that and pop that in her bed. Oh, Ashley, do you want to come and try out your bed? She's come straight from the bath, so she might be a bit damp. Let's put the teddy in too. I don't know if there's enough room for them both to lie down in there. They can sit there and they can play. That is so cute. Okay, what have we got here? We've got a really, really cute little window piece which opens, so it's a door. It's a playhouse in her room with the glass right behind it. We can store the teddy in there if we want to, or Ashley can hang out in there too. She can play in the playhouse. And over here on the right hand side, we have got a little drawer for storing, yeah, okay, so that's for storing her little blanket. And we could put we could actually put this up here, the rocking horse up here. If we want to put the mat in, we could just take the drawer out. But let's put it in as per the instructions at the moment. We can just put the rocking horse on the front. So this is the house as it's supposed to be, just from the first instructions, the first set of instructions. You can pull all the pieces out, you can play with them wherever you want. We can set up, look, a beautiful little dinner party out the front. We can put the rocking horse downstairs. Do whatever we want with this. However, we are about to completely destroy it because we're going to build it up again. Because this is modular, we're going to build it in a different way. We're going to build it as a tall apartment building. So let's do that. Let's find our base plate here. And the pieces are everywhere. This is going to be fun. Let's see how this goes together now. We've got the drawers over here, 4 of them in a row again. So it's going to be the kitchen down on the bottom level. Put the puppy up on the kitchen bench, where puppies are not supposed to be. And the kitchen bench has got some wood and a sink up there. I think this might be it for the kitchen almost, except we've got a window on this side, and on the other side we are putting the oven in. Can put the pot here, and there we go. The first level is almost complete. We just need the tea towel again, and the first level is done. Let's build the next level up, and we can see how high we can make this go. Mum's gonna hang out with the teapot while we do that. So what's the next level going to be? It looks like we're putting the yellow pieces in. So this might be the bathroom, I'm going to guess. Is a bathroom. Yes, we got the sink in here and the toilet. Ashley's trying out the toilet again. She's such a good girl. There's just enough room in there for the bathtub. We're going to be building our walls up to the same height as the previous level. A nice window in over here. And we can put our towel just in there on the window ledge. Glass windows behind the toilet, and now this level's complete too. We're going up, up, up. Let's find out what's on the next level. How high can it go? Oh, I do love that purple piece so much. All right, we've already got the walls built up here. We're putting a drawer in this piece now. This is Ashley's bedroom. And it's already complete. We can put it up here. I missed a piece out there. It's structural integrity. Denied. Let's fix that up. Oh, that's so cute. It looks like we can go up another level though. It's a nice tall townhouse now, I think. All these tall window pieces are so cool. They build the walls up so fast. And this is going to be maybe, could it be, I wonder if we could use this as the parents' bedroom. We could put Mum and Dad in here. Oh no, hold on, there's kind of not enough room for both of them to be on there. Maybe Mum could sleep over here and Dad could sleep over here. On the hardwood one. Poor Dad, poor Duplo Dad. And up on the top, we're changing it out a bit. And we're going up to a little peak, and this is going to be the very top of the townhouse, of the tall townhouse. I think it's definitely a living area. I don't think they can sleep here. We put the cake up on the very top level. So let's put that up here. The guitar fell off. Oh, the guitar's very slippery. It's a long way for the guitar to fall. Look at that. It's so tall. It's got all the rooms you need. But we're not finished yet. We're going to build this a third way. So let's break it all down again. Tumble it down and build it up again. It's so easy to break apart though, and so easy to put together again. This is so much fun. Let's see how the third way goes. I don't think that was English. How it looks when we put it together in the third way. That's better. This is the kitchen, and the kitchen is already looking different. We've got windows here above our bench tops, and it's built forward a little bit, which is cool. So what are we putting here? So the sink's on top of the bench tops there. Oven over here on this side with, oh, very nice wood tops there. Put the milk in the fridge again. And where's my other piece of wood top? There we go. Oh, the kitchen looks so fancy. Oh, it's so bright and modern and clean looking. Okay, and we can store up here on top of the fridge. We can put the teapot, we can put the pot in there, and we've got our tea towel too. And then, okay, so we're not going to be stacking anything on top of this. Looks like it's a little standalone module. This is cool. What are we going to have for the next room? And we can store these ones side by side or just move them around wherever we want them. We've got a nice high little, like a little dresser with the glass bricks behind. This looks like it's going to be the bedroom. We're putting our cute window back in again up the top and making it a point at the top. We can store the teddy up there in the yellow window. So this is Ashley's bedroom. Oh, it's lovely. Let's tuck her in this time. Tuck her in her little blanket. Oh, that's adorable. And over here, we've got 3 of these in a row. So we're actually making a nice big cushion surface. Maybe this can be the bed for Mum and Dad, because there's actually going to be enough room now. We'll store the guitar there in the window. There's enough room there, though that blanket doesn't cover them very well, but that's okay. They look comfy and cozy enough in there. So what are we putting in the next room? I think that this one's going to have to be our bathroom. And the cupboard piece is supposed to be facing outwards, just like I put it in. And we've got the mirror up here on the top, and inside we get all our bright, cheerful yellow bathroom pieces. Get to put this in the window again, and the bath is up on a little step there. We're going to need the stool to get up into the bath, I think, but that might be really handy because when Mum's actually washing the puppy, she's going to need that stool to get up there. That's so cute, and we can just move these around however we want them. I think this might be my favorite design, though I do like it when it's all built up together too. I just can't choose. Oh my goodness, we can pull everything out if we want to. We can play with them in front. Let's put the cake here. This is the most gorgeous, buildable, playable doll's house that I have seen in a long time. Lego has really nailed this set, I think. I love it. I love the colors. I love the design. I love the little people who are in it. It's so cute. I hope you enjoyed sharing the building with me. I'm going to be back with some more videos very soon, so make sure you subscribe now, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.